Okay, so hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home. Okay, so today our class is about class 8 now from LTC book and the Unit 4 section 2. This is a story and the story name is Centerville Ghost. You read it not Canterville, Centerville Ghost. Okay, Centerville Ghost, Centerville actually, Centerville Ghost. Centerville is the name here. It's a name. It is the name of place. It is the name of place. Okay. Similarly, ghost. You already know the meaning of ghost. Ghost means a spirit or soul. No, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर भाषा में भूत प्रेत बनी बच्चों spirit. So actually, the Centerville Ghost is a supernatural story. Supernatural story. What kind of story is a supernatural story? A supernatural story is a story which is about ghost. About the ghost, about the superpowers. Such a story is supernatural story, which are based on our superstitions too. And such a story are a supernatural story. And this Centerville Ghost is also a supernatural story. So actually, it is a haunted story. Also, you can say haunted story. Okay, and this Centerville Ghost was a haunted place in this story. Haunted place means what kind of place? Haunted place जहाँ भूत प्रेत घुम्ने गर्दछ त्यस्तो ठाउँलाई हामी के भन्छौँ haunted place. This is supernatural story. So now we start the story. Who are the characters in this story? The characters of the stories are like this. So main characters are Mr. Otis. Similarly, other character is Mrs. Otis. Okay, and their children, Mr. Otis and Mrs. Otis children. Similarly, one more character is Mrs. Umni. Okay, Mrs. Umni. So Mr. Otis was actually American minister. He was American minister. Try to understand this. And Mrs. Otis, wife of Mr. Otis, Mrs. Umni was a housekeeper of this Centerville Ghost. Housekeeper of Centerville Ghost place. Okay, housekeeper of the Centerville Ghost. Housekeeper of Centerville, not ghost. It means Centerville Castle. Okay, Mrs. Umni and other characters I have already told you. Their children were also there. And actually, how the story started? The story started like this. Everybody in that town, everybody knew that Centerville Castle or Centerville place was a haunted place. Everybody knew that. And Mr. Otis bought that place, bought the Centerville Chase. Now, like we go Centerville Chase means actually castle. You can say CHAC. Castle means mahal. He bought the Centerville Chase. Although everyone told him not to buy, as Centerville Castle was a haunted place. It was the place where ghosts used to visit regularly. But Mr. Otis was different kind of person. He did not believe on those ghosts, or he did not mind it. It was known to him. However, he bought that place and Mr. Otis, Mrs. Otis, with their children went to the Centerville chase. And Mrs. Umini welcomed them. वहाँ सबैलाई कसले वेलकम गर्यो? Mrs. Umini. Mrs. Umini was already living there, and she was a housekeeper of that palace, and they were welcomed by Mrs. Umini. And Mrs. Umini actually housekeeper, and she had a lot of experience. She had faced different situations where she found herself in a very miserable condition. I mean to say, she was also very much confident that Centerville Chase was really a hunting place. It was frequently hunted by the ghost. Okay, so we'll go further. See here. So actually, what happened when they welcomed by Mrs. Umini at Centerville Chase? What happened there? They sat in a sitting room, and just after some time, Mrs. Otis saw blood stain on the floor. Okay, what do you mean by blood stain? So actually, blood stain means what? Stain means daag huncha ni, kuni kurako daag लाग्नु. So khun ko daag she saw on the floor. Mrs. Otis, blood stain was noticed by her. So he told everyone that from where the blood stain came, and as soon as Mrs. Umini heard it, she was very terrified, and she wanted to tell that really it was a blood stain of ghost. And after that, what happened? They had Mr. Otis and Mrs. Otis had what? Pinkerton stone stain. And actually, they had a Pinkertons. See here, Pinkertons stain remover. So पहले यहाँ है ना कि when Mrs. Otis saw that blood stain, Mrs. Umini told many more things about this blood stain. What she told, जो housekeeper से पहले देखी बस ही आएगा. What she told that it was a blood of Eleanor, who was murdered by her husband, Sir Simpon. Okay, यहाँ नाम वाले difficult सब बुझने में. Blood of Eleanor. Actually, according to Mrs. Umini, that blood stain was related to blood of Eleanor, who was a queen of that palace, and she was actually murdered by her husband. And after that, what happened? Sir Simpon also died, and actually his guilty soul, उसको husband को guilty soul was still hunting that place. ना Mrs. Umini को अनुसार तो blood stain कसको छ blood Eleanor को छ जो कि ना उसको husband द्वारा मारिएको थियो र husband लाई पछि थाहा हुन्छ कि she was not guilty. So still the guilty soul of Sir Simpon was hunting that place. अहिले पनि वहाँको आत्मा भन्छौ नि हामी आफ्नो धर्म पनि भन्ने गर्छौं कि यदि कसैको आत्मा शान्ति भएन भने आफ्टर डेथ ऊ भौताडी रहेको हुन्छ हैन जताततै रोमिङ गर्छ. सेम थिङ वाज here also. So and see here now we'll go for about the Pinkerton's stain remover. It is a kind of remover which is used to clean the floor. So here Mrs. Ortiz used this Pinkerton stain remover to clean that blood stain. They used at first, it was cleaned. It was clean. Blood stain was cleaned, really. Okay, and after that they went to sleep. But next morning, what happened? See here, again we will go further. Next morning, again the blood stain appeared. Blood stain. फिर जो खून को धब्बा appeared. Again appeared. Okay. They again used that remover. It was again removed. Very one used on the Pinkerton's remover. Again it came. Okay, and when third time when they wanted to remove it, when they removed it, suddenly there was what? Thunder and storm. Okay, thunder and storm there, and it was very what type of condition. Sometimes we watch in a haunted movie कि भूत को सीना उसे एकदम डरावना जस्तो सीना है. The same thing happened here, and to see that Mrs. Umini became faint. But Mr. Ortiz, Mrs. Ortiz, and their children are very cool type of person. They hadn't, they were not taking so seriously about this. Okay, so what happened there? What happened after that moment? They at the same night they went. Mrs. Ortiz, they went for sleeping. And almost at 1 o'clock at night. Okay, there was a different kind of sound in the room, and it was Mr. Ortiz was awakened by that sound. That sound was what? That sound was actually the sound of. See, look here. Mr. Ortiz came from his room, and sound like a rattle. It was a sound like a rattle of metal. It is called rattle of metal. Rattle of metal means what? जब कुने लोहा फ्लाम ले बने को कुरा लाई और को फ्लाम ले हामी हान सुनी. Such a sound is a rattle of metal. Okay, it was a sound by rattle of metal. And when Mr. Ortiz came out from his bedroom, what he saw? He saw a terrible old man. Okay, and what type of old man he was? His eyes were red. Okay, eyes were red, like a burning fire. Eyes were red like a burning fire. Clothes were dirty. And one more thing, important thing was what? And heavy chains were hung, and heavy chains were hung from wrist and ankles. Okay, so actually usko khutta, ankles and wrist दुईटैमा हेभी चेन लाग्यो. जस्तै एउटा कसैलाई जेलमा राखिन्छ नि त्यस किसिमले. And that person was actually that terrible old man was what? He was cursed. It was seen by whom? Mr. Ortiz. But Mr. Ortiz didn't become terrified. Didn't become so much panic. to see that. It was very normal in that condition also. As it was very normal to see the ghost. I mean, Mr. Otis was this kind of person. So after that, what happened? After that, he saw the ghost, and what he did, Mr. Otis you see here, Mr. Otis what? He took it very normal, and he offered oil to put on those chains. जो ghost को तब देखिए माइंड समझ chain में बांधिए को थी, you know, Mr. Otis simply gave oil, telling her to put on those chains so that the sound of rattle of metal would be less. And then after, very normally, he went for sleep. He went for sleep. Okay. So after that, what happened? You know, the ghost become very angry. अब कुनै भूतलाई तिमी ओइल अफर गर्छौ त भूतको त बेइज्जती भयो नि किसिमले सामनेको मान्छेले के डरै भएको छ. The ghost became very angry. Yeah. And there were two children also. The ghost became angry and reached the top floors where two children were playing. The children of Mr. Otis and Mrs. Otis were playing. And what the children did, the children threw a pillow towards ghost. Ghost को अगाडि में pillow means takiya or pillow they threw, and it was very unusual for the ghost. It was very unusual, you know. And what he did, the ghost, you know, the ghost disappeared. They disappeared to secret room. The ghost got a room in Mahalma. So he appeared to the secret, and then after took a large breath, Why? Because the ghost thought, today I survived. So very different kind of story it is. And the ghost started to remember, started to recall and how he used to hunt that place, how he used to, how he used to afraid others, how he used to make fear, to create fear for the others. And actually that ghost was hunting that castle from 300 years, but he had never faced such kind of people. But this time, some American people came in that castle and offering oil, and others were offering some, throwing some pillow on him. It was very unusual for the ghost. And what he thought that he was feeling very awful. Okay, and finally he was saying that in the history of ghost, no ghost was treated like this. So actually, at the last ending of the story, and it gives a pun on our face, and that is called humor. And wit and humor is this. Thank you very much.